In the year 3021, the Dark War threatened to destroy all life on Earth. Everything seemed hopeless. But a group of scientists sent away a ship full of their children before all was lost. The young man in charge was entrusted with a file containing the most important events of human history. When they were sure it was safe to return, they started their journey back home. But when they arrived, everything was destroyed. The young man found only one solution: hide the contents of the file from the next generation and start a new era where only the strong would survive. Now, 23 years later, a group of hackers born in this new era are rebels against the system created by the one that everyone now calls the Elder.
I'm your only hope. As your elder, obey me, and we will make a new future.
Are you connected?
Of course. Have I ever failed?
But is it safe?
Since when is anything safe in this stinking ghetto? But I think this time the Elder's rats won't be able to locate it.
Never underestimate the Elder. Remember, he created this net.
The net was already created, Nador. He just started it up again.
Encrypting all the history files. Because
Without historical knowledge, we're easier to govern.
All right, save the jokes. Where's this meeting taking place?
Between the mountains and the Black Lake, opposite Ghetto 3. They'll cross over in a motorboat.
I'll go with Shadow. Cyro, Nuta, and Urgo, you three control the net. Open the grotto. It's gonna be dark soon. They won't risk crossing in the light.
Negative. I see their boat.
Are you sure? Because I don't see anything.
I do.
If your eagle eyes see it, then there's no room for doubt, right?
Right.
How many are there?
2.
Okay, here they come. They call that little wreck a motorboat? Hope they don't sink in the stinking lake.
Hi. We're Sartor and Carton. From the Seekers? You must be the mole.
Cut the introductions. This ain't no party. Come on, grab that thing you call a boat, and follow us before we're spotted.
If we've got to cross the mountains, we should hide it around here.
We're gonna cross them all right, but not over them, through them. Why else do you think we're called the moles? Come on, this way.
what a pile of junk you've got here.
The guest is a comedian. But I bet you'd like this pile of junk to save your tail, right?
I'm sorry. We don't really mean it. We really need your help.
Data?
What?
Shadow never wastes words. She's telling you to give us all the information.
In other words, what do you want?
Okay. As you know, we've spent years backing up all the files containing our history, encrypted by the system.
That's nothing new. We're all searching for the same thing.
Well, sure, but we found the key file from year 0 of the old era.
What? We found it and we've gone in.
Go on.
The first thing we tried when we found the file was to make a backup, but it's completely protected and we weren't able to recover one bit of data. So we sent in one of ours, Gora. It seems she found something or somebody who has the access code. The last thing she said to us was, "I think I found it." But all of this is really strange. You wouldn't believe it.
You say it was the last thing you heard. What's happened?
Like always, the Elder system traced our connection. So we shut down for a moment.
And you left her hanging out there?
We thought we'd hook up again once the danger was past. But the system blocked all of Ghetto 3's lines so they could sweep the zone and...
You haven't been able to hook up again. So now you've got a hacker in a coma, sacked out in some corner of Ghetto 3, and her virtual reality hung up who knows where out on the net. Nice work.
We had to disconnect. The system was all over us.
Take it easy, Carton. No use getting all worked up.
All right then, Sarator. And what is it you're thinking that we can do?
Somebody's got to go in and find Gora. When we've located her, we'll go to Ghetto 3 and get her back. I know it's very dangerous, but there's no other choice. Now we just need to know if you'll help us.
What you're asking for borders on suicide.
I know.
But Nador, we can't leave that poor girl hanging out in the net.
I say we go after her. It's too big a risk. I'm not sure I want to take it.
And you, Shadow, would you risk it?
Affirmative.
Very well. 2 should go. Safer that way. Ergo and Cyro, I mean, if you've already made up your mind.
Sure, I'll go. But I still think it's suicide.
That's Cyro. Always the optimist of the group.
Why can't I go too?
You're staying right here, slacker boy. You have to help me with the codes.
Shadow, help me load them up. Nuda, prepare the entry.
Shadow, have I ever told you that you have gorgeous eyes?
Don't flatter yourself.
We're all set. Sarator, enter the password.
It's done. Just hope it all turns out all right. Thank you for helping us.
Thank us when you've got your hacker back home again.
I hope your codes are protected.
A little better than yours are, slacker boy.
Come on, Nuda, pay attention. What have you got?
I'm already picking up the signal. It seems like they're in... What's that?
It's an enormous lake. Gora arrived there after she had searched through 30 years of history.
And how far did she go in time before she got hung out?
Not that far. 2 or 3.
Should I bring them in, Nador?
No, wait for them to signal us. They might find something. Was Gora leaving safety tracers?
Yes.
Well, let's see if they find them.
There's the village. Nice, huh? And I bet you don't know what those trees are called. They're called palm trees.
Now we know who's the teacher's pet.
Well, the Elder in his great generosity lets us look at a file with drawings of the lost species, the fauna and the flora.
Look, there's a bunch of people over there. Let's see what's going on.
אתה מהר ותשלום את שלך.
השנה היה קשה מאוד לאסוף את כל הכסף. שלי לא נצאו אל כל ג'בולן.
Nuta, we need translation.
Quit the complaining and pay your taxes.
They've loaded it in. But hey, who's that guy coming this way?
Yeah, what's up with him?
I don't know, but he seems different.
Follow me.
Let's go, Cyro.
Go? Go where?
Let's go and follow him. He told me to follow him.
Ergo, are you nuts? Come on, look at me. You don't exist. You're just a bunch of ones and zeros and a bunch of program data. These people don't see you.
I'm telling you that he looked at me and said, follow me.
No, Ergo. He didn't say it to you. He said it to the guy with the turban in the money.
Yeah, but he was talking to me too.
Are you out of your mind? They can't see you or hear you or touch you. You don't exist. You don't exist. You're just taking a nap in a grotto next to a black lake. Not blue, black.
I know, but I'm telling you that that guy looked me straight in the eyes and talked to me. I know he was talking to me. Don't ask me how, but I know it.
Look, don't be...
You got a better plan, huh? You got one? No, right? Have you come up with some bright idea? No, right? Well, let's follow him. I'm fed up with you saying no, no, no.
You want to follow that man? We follow.
Hey, what's that?
Oh, great. It's interference. The system must be searching the data. We've got to go.
No. Where is he? Where has that guy gone to?
He's going into that house with the others.
Let's go. Come on.
Tell me, why do you eat with these kind of people?
People who are well do not need a doctor, but only those who are sick.
Cyro, what's that there next to his foot?
It looks like a safety tracer. Let's see. Number 31.
Gora's been by here. I told you, Cyro, he's brought us to the tracer.
Yeah, well, we'll see about that.
Call Nuta and let's head home. Shadow, his eyes were talking to me. Do you believe me?
The system is scanning the program. Does it show if they located us?
No, they were right on your tail. But they'll know that somebody's entered when they locate Gora.
We found a safety tracer with the number 31.
Yes. Serator thinks she got hung up 2 more years down the grid, but it's dangerous to return, with the system snooping all around.
I'm not going back with this nut. He thinks a piece of data has seen him.
Nador, you gotta believe me. He was looking right into my eyes.
Maybe that's what it looked like. But believe me, he wasn't able to see you.
Okay. You all think I'm seeing things right. Then how do you explain that he led us directly to Gora's tracer?
Coincidence.
No.
Shadow, do you believe him?
I'll go with Ergo.
Hey, come on, Shadow. I've had it up to here with your secrecy. If you know something, just say it.
I'll go with Ergo.
Nador is right. It's very dangerous to go in now.
Nuta, how long will the system program take to get to the year 33?
Probably about a half an hour.
Well, let's get going now. Well, we made it. And now what? I'm wondering if you know what...
Shh, quiet.
What? Come on, Shadow, don't be messing with me. Even if I scream, nobody could hear me. Hey, it's...
Gora!
I give up. I've got nothing left. You can finish me off, you beasts.
Take it easy,
Gora. Don't touch me, you slimy rat. Finish me off, but don't touch me.
Gora, calm down and listen. We're not watchers from the system. We're friends. Serator has...
Serator? You've got Serator?
No, we don't have him. He found us so we could help him locate you. We're the moles, the hackers from Ghetto 1.
You're not watchers? You're friends? For real? You're not just messing with me? I've been so afraid. So afraid. The connection got cut. I didn't know what had happened, but I imagined the worst. But they're all right. Right?
Sure, they're... Shoot. Interference.
The system program!
Nuta told us we had a half an hour, but they got here faster.
They'll detect us.
They haven't entered the net, Gora. They're scanning it to see if they can trace our connections. As soon as they discover us, they'll come in to eliminate us.
No, not yet. We have to find the key. We have to make the backup. There's too many things here that we need to know.
Remy, prepare Zeke and Scroll to enter the net and disinfect it.
Right.
Bunch of ingrates. I've given them everything. I've created a new order for them. They survive thanks to me, and they can't carry out a direct order. But they'll pay dearly.
The system is already following the signals.
Keep routing them through all the ghettos. Nuta, are they still in real time? Not wanting to hook up?
It seems like Ergo's got a plan.
What is it they're trying to do?
I don't know how much battery I have left, but I swear to you, I'm not leaving without finding the file.
Gora, do you know where to search for the password?
I thought I knew it, but turns out I was wrong.
What do you mean?
Well, as soon as I entered, I started quickly searching the data. But when I came to the year 30, I discovered a man. A sort of revolutionary with some kind of absurd ideas. Anyhow, I slowed down the speed because in some point in the search, I realized that he could see me. I know that this sounds like I'm just making it up, but I'm telling you, he talked to me. He looked straight into my eyes, and even though he was talking to the people there with him, he sometimes addressed me. Don't look at me like that. I'm not crazy. I may seem...
No. We don't think you're crazy.
You've seen the good man?
The good man?
That's what I call him. If you knew him, you'd understand. Well, the truth is that all of this is incredible. Have you seen how these people live? When someone finds a companion, they stay together. So that way, whenever they have children, it's usually with the same couple. Then they keep the children with them, and they form families.
The children know their parents?
Generally speaking, yes. What's more, it's the same parents that take care of them.
I know my mother.
Shadow, you never told me. Who is she?
She's a watcher.
I like to imagine that my parents are hackers.
Dream what you want.
Dreaming is worthless. Why doesn't the Elder want us to know our parents? Why can't we live with them?
I suppose if they had to take care of us, they wouldn't be able to work for him all 24 hours of the day.
Is that more important?
For him, yes.
The good man told this story one time of a guy who didn't want to live with his family. He preferred to leave home and live far from them.
You must have been crazy.
And?
So he took off and started living his life. But things didn't turn out so well. He was broke, and his friends could have cared less. He ended up eating garbage.
Why didn't he just go back home?
That's what he did. He arrived there sick and a mess.
And his father gave him a kick in the rear.
No, not even. He hugged him, and he threw a party and everything to celebrate his return. He thought he had lost him, but now he had gotten him back.
Nice story, huh? Hey, interferences.
You're already here.
Shadow, to the rocks!
Cover me! He's gone.
Hey, Shadow.
It's really nothing. Let's go. We've got to find a safe place to hide you in.
I know a real safe place. The Master's grave.
What Master?
The good man. They all called him Master.
Called?
What?
I followed him. I heard what he said. When he looked at me, I was sure that he was the key, but they've killed him. They killed him because of envy, because of jealousy, because they couldn't handle him. It's been 2 days since they killed him and they buried him in a cave. It's a safe place and it's not far from here.
Come on, we'll get you there. Ergo, get a move on.
But this doesn't make sense.
So you couldn't handle them. Remy, call up the elite corps.
The engineers told us yesterday that the cyborgs will be ready next week. They have some tests left to do.
And I'm saying that they're more than ready. Now then, I'll talk with the engineers.
Sure, right. I'll call for them right now.
Nuta,
It looks like they are arriving at the tomb of that soul called Master and... Hey, Shadow is wounded.
Syra, prepare to get them home as soon as they hide Gora.
Okay, right.
It's a good thing they didn't seal the doorway with that rock.
Let's go in.
But let's go to the back of the cave. I'll be safe there.
With the dead guy?
There's no corpse.
What? Hang on a minute. Hey, Shadow, wait! Where are you going?
Hello, Silver.
Hello, Silver? Do you know him?
Affirmative.
Is he a hacker from another ghetto?
He's not a virtual being. He's Silver.
What the heck is a Silver?
I call him that. Silver.
Hello, Shadow. Draw near.
Don't go, Shadow. But the wound... Where is it?
Thank you, Silver.
But where is the Master's body? I saw how they put him in here. Have they taken him somewhere else?
He's no longer here.
Yeah, that's pretty obvious.
He lives.
No, they killed him. I was there and I saw it. He died before the earthquake.
It was necessary for him to die.
I don't get it.
Necessary? For who?
For all of you, so that you would live, so that you could draw near to the light.
So then he has the key, right?
He is the way.
He is the way. Yes, I knew that. I knew it. Oh.
Ergo, you've got to return right now. Gora's energy is almost gone.
And you've got to come with me.
Negative.
Come on, Shadow, I'm not gonna go without you. I won't leave you here.
Don't argue and connect up.
Don't do this to me, Shadow, not or it'll kill me.
The tracer's already in place. You can go.
Pay attention. Here comes Ergo. Only Ergo. Somebody has to let Nador know.
I'm here.
Nador, we've got Ergo. Shadow has stayed with Gora.
Shadow. Why do you always have to make such inconvenient decisions?
Wake up, Ergo.
Nador?
Talk to me.
Nador, I'm sorry. You know how Shadow is.
I know. Did you place the tracer?
Yes.
Serator, I'll go with you and Karn to Ghetto 3. Because you don't know the alleyways. Ergo and Nuda will control MotherNet. Syra, ready everything to recover Shadow. Let's go. Get moving.
I've missed you, Silver.
He has what you're looking for, Shadow.
You've healed me.
I'm a messenger. He has healed you.
Who is this man? Who has such power?
He's not just a man. He's the son of the powerful Lord of Life.
Then, has he written history?
The powerful one has made you free. You write history.
And to get it back, will he give us freedom?
Only the truth will set you free.
He is the truth. I heard how he said that.
His word is the truth.
Silver? Silver, don't go! I've seen my mother, do you know?
Shadow, he's gone now.
I wanted to tell him. She recognized me. I'm sure of it. She's like looking at my image, but she turned around and walked away.
They're here already. Listen, Shadow. You should look for the Master, take my tracers, and finish the search.
I'm not leaving you alone.
Please, recover the file. My team has to be about ready to get me out of the net. You should go before the system locates us.
All right. Take care of yourself. We'll see each other at home.
Remember the things I've told you.
I won't forget you. Bye.
Goodbye.
You can go, Nana. Carton will load up now to recover Gora. And you already know that they're watching us. Once they detect the signal, they'll be coming after us.
No. We're in this together, Sarator. Besides, I'm sure we'll be long gone when they get there. Lead the way, Carton.
Okay, I'm starting the sequence.
What kind of monsters are these things?
No. Gora, no! Don't leave us now.
The good man said that to give your life for your friends shows much love.
Gora. My brave Gora.
Goodbye, friend.
Where is Shadow? Gora! Gora!
She can't hear you, Nador.
I'm sure Shadow must be home safe and sound. Now we've got to get away from here in a hurry.
I can't leave Gora.
Come on, Sarator, please. We have to stay alive and fighting. Do it for her.
Carton, lead us on.
Towards the dead forest.
Those rats are getting faster all the time.
We have to go deeper into the forest. Be careful. Remember that we can't move the lichens. Let's go.
And watch where you step here. This quagmire can swallow you.
There's a dry sand dune not far from here. From there, we'll head towards the south to come out at Ghetto 2. We'll go around it and get to Ghetto 1. I think that'll be the easiest.
Shadow is putting us all in danger. We've got to disconnect. The system is breathing down our necks.
And leave her hanging on the net? Are you out of your mind?
And why doesn't she come out for once and help?
And why don't you shut up and leave us alone?
I'm gonna get some air. I'll see if they're coming back.
Hey, you jerkface. You have to help us with the connections. You can't leave! Ah!
What do you think those murdering monsters are that have entered the net?
There's been a rumor around for some time that the system is creating some killer cyborgs. More efficient than the Watchers, and even though it seems impossible, with less scruples. It's been said that they are experiments made with the hackers they catch.
It's monstrous!
I didn't believe it. I thought it was just some legend, but maybe not.
Have you located the second intruder?
We have, sir. They're headed towards her.
So, she's a little snake, huh? Image!
are descendants of those prophets. And you are included in the promise that God made with our ancestors when he said to Abraham, through your descendants, all the villages and nations of the earth will be blessed. You are descendants of those prophets. And you are included in the promise that God made with our ancestors when he said to Abraham, through your descendants.
You got her? I swear to you that I'm going to kill Jerkface.
It's done. I've got her! I've got her!
How is she? Is she all right? Ergo, tell me something.
She is looking perfect.
Boy, oh boy, I've got adrenaline coming out of my ears. For sure I'm going to kill that jerk.
Are you talking about our friend Cyro?
Shadow, how I've wanted to give you a hug.
Okay, but just a quick one. We've got no time.
You have put me through the ringer. I mean it.
But you've got the marching orders, right?
Right. Go ahead, Shadow. You're the boss.
Recover file.
Did you get the password?
SHEEP.
Sheep?
Animal of the ancient era, that's where they got milk and wool. They were cared for by some characters called shepherds.
Give me the final tracer, Shadow. Thanks. Sheep. And now, hold your breath.
And?
Voila! Initiating backup.
All right, way to go. That's it.
Shadow, you're the best.
And you're crazy, that's why we love you.
Where's everybody else?
They went to Ghetto 3 to recover Gora.
All but Cyro, who's out getting some air.
Okay, and the system?
They're close behind us. Very, very close.
As soon as the backup is done, we'll disappear. My lateness has placed you in danger.
Don't be silly. You've done great.
There is no doubt that the hacker is your offspring, right?
Right. I've only procreated one time, and then I got sterilized. The pregnancy caused me energy loss.
In the ancient era, parents were obliged to take care of their children. It was a burden they all complained about. I believe I've come up with a better idea. Now, procreating doesn't mean that you have to be burdened with them your whole life.
Sir?
Yes?
We have located the hackers.
I'm on my way. Give me the info.
The hackers are in Ghetto 1. An informant gave us the exact location.
Great.
But, sir, the key file has been backed up.
It seems like we got some real smart hackers. Well, we won't give them time to broadcast it. And the Elite Corps?
One was destroyed, and we're having trouble recovering the others. It seems there's a problem with the rescue signal.
Program their auto-destruction. We can't maintain open communications. Anyone could sign on.
Yes, sir.
Remy, send a commander to the hackers with our greetings. They're to eliminate them and recover the file.
Right away.
Ah, Remy. I want the elimination to be public. That will dissuade those that might be thinking about breaking the rules.
Okay.
Where's the informant?
In room B2.
Hello, son. I'm glad to know there's still someone around with common sense. Now, I'll tell you what we're going to do.
I'm pretty sure the system has picked up Shadow's image while she was being chased. So she should stay in hiding. I'll stay here with her. Nuda, you'll go to our ghetto to try to find Cyro and bring him here.
Dead or alive?
Alive, because dead he weighs more.
Very good, Ergo.
Serator, you'll go to Ghetto 3 and then bring back our team. Find out if there are any other of Papa's ingrates and bring them here. Carden, Ghetto number 4?
There are a few there, although they're pretty primitive. I'll see what I can do.
I like to know what it is you call primitive.
For example, you?
I love you too, slacker boy.
The more we are, the better. But be careful that no rat picks up your scent. Tomorrow, between us all, we'll decide what the next move will be.
Goodbye. Take care. Be careful.
I'm really sorry about Gora.
Yes. The cyborgs are very efficient.
You want to explain to me what happened out on the net?
Gora called him the good man. But to his people, he was the master. Revolutionized history. He stood up against the authorities. He unmasked the hypocrisy of the religious leaders. He loved the marginalized, the poor, the sick, the prostitutes. He taught things we don't have. Love, understanding, faithfulness. He's the son of the Lord of Life.
You believe that?
Yes. Gora saw him die. I saw him alive again. Silver led me to him.
You never told me about Silver. I thought there were no secrets between us.
Just Silver.
What do you make of all this?
We were created free beings. We should choose our way. The Elder, he can't take that away from us.
And you've already made your choice?
Yes.
Well, I believe the most difficult part's ahead of us. If we want everybody to have access to the encrypted files, we'll have to enter the system operations room and decode Mother. Now that we have the key file, decoding it won't be hard.
The hard part is getting in.
I've got a couple ideas for that. We'll see if they'll work. What I don't know is if it will make things better. But we should try it.
The knowledge of the truth will make us free. That's better already.
You can't make a decision without knowing the options, right? Well, it's time for you to get some rest. We've got a long day ahead of us tomorrow. Shadow, how did you discover the password?
A shepherd had 100 sheep. One got lost. He left the 99 and he didn't stop until he found her. We're like the lost sheep.
Where did you come up with that story?
The master looked at Gora when he finished the story, and she knew.
My mysterious shadow. You know what? Someday, if we live to see better times, I'd like for us to have children and be able to watch them grow, like the ancients. Would you like that? Shadow? What will be said in this meeting will put your lives in danger. For that reason, those who want to pull out now can do so. It won't be cowardly, because to stay is bordering on suicide. Well? Nobody? All right, I'll fill you in. We have recovered the key file from the ancient era. Cardin?
With this file, decoding Mother will be a snap.
And this way, we'll be able to recover our memory. We'll know the facts, the causes, the good and the bad. We'll have the ability to reason, so we can decide how we want to live. But this has a price. Sarator?
Breaking the encryption can't be carried out on just any terminal. It has to be executed in the grid frame. That is to say, from the operations room in the system headquarters.
That's impossible!
The building security is way too tight for us.
We'll never make it.
Oh, now I understand why you called it suicide. Why don't we come back to reality, Nador, and be real?
There is a solution, Cyro. It's a remote chance, but I think we should attempt it.
I'm dying to hear your plan.
We must create chaos in Ghetto 1. You'll take as many as you can there, from your respective ghettos, and scattering yourselves in every corner, you'll start the disturbances, confrontations, and noise. You'll make a lot of noise. The system will send the commandos, and taking advantage of the confusion that's created, Shadow, Karten, Cyro, and myself will enter the building.
We don't know what will happen.
We run many risks.
All this chaos could be deadly.
Quiet! Quiet, please! Thank you. It's time to try something different, and we don't have many options. We can leave things as they are, and let the Elder decide when we're even allowed to sneeze, or fight for a better way. I, personally, prefer to die fighting than to live the way we have up to now.
We can't take it anymore. All right.
Yes!
Let's do it.
Yes, we'll fight!
We'll fight!
We'll fight!
The party started.
I still think that it's suicide.
Are you with us, Cyro?
Let's see, are you that blind? Don't you see me here?
Yes, I see you.
You mind keeping it down? Won't be long before they open the doors. Pay attention, guys. Shadow, don't leave my side. Cyro, cross over to the other side and tell me how many Watchers you see.
I'm on my way. There are 5 in the control room and 2 near the northern hallway.
All right, follow me. All right, minions. Make one sound and you can kiss your brains goodbye. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna go to the elevator, but real carefully. Open door. Now just take us to the operations room on the top floor. Operations room. Surprise, gentlemen. Tie them to the columns in the back there. Karten, Mother is all yours.
Hello, Nuta. This is Slacker Boy. Everything's under control here. I'll begin the decoding of Mother.
It's Karten!
Hey,
They've done it!
Good job!
It just might be that starting right now, I may have to rethink your nickname, Slacker Boy.
That I'd like to see. Here we go, sweetheart. Nador, the decoding has begun.
Great, Karten. Come over here. I think we have company. You move an inch and you're dead.
Hey, what's this?
Well, well, look what we've got here. It's dead.
What is going on here?
Your reign, oh sweet benefactor, has come to an end.
You ungrateful slime!
Cyro, grab their weapons.
Cyro? Well, what do you know? It's my little friend. Cyro, this wasn't our agreement, right?
Shut your mouth.
You want to let us in on what he's talking about?
Ah, so your friends don't know about it. And we'll keep our conversation secret about the exact location of their hideout.
Cyro?
No. No.
Ah!
You're just a rotten old man.
Ah! You don't want to hear it, worm. Ah, then we won't tell them how you begged me for a position with us in exchange for betraying this ragtag little group. Supposedly your friends.
You're a lying pig, you slime bag!
No!
No, Cyro, stop, calm down.
You shut your mouth too. You're just a nobody now that can't tell me what I should or shouldn't do.
All right, I won't tell you anything, but you don't need to point that thing at us.
Throw down your weapons right now or I'll start firing.
Sure, okay, don't get excited. Come on, put your weapon down, Karten. Shadow, get up, come over here with me.
Tell me you recognize me. Please, Mama. You recognize me, right?
I recognize myself when I was your age and had such lofty ideals. Oh, I can't remember at what moment in my life I gave up.
No! Why? Why, Cyro?
Shut up! You knew, right? Answer me! You knew?
Yes.
Why, Cyro?
Hey, here you are, guys.
We were really worried. There's absolute chaos going on out there. The building is empty and no security.
That dead body is the Elder? You liquidated him?
No.
It's a long story.
Where's the safety copy, Nuda?
Carton!
I hope you waited for it to finish.
Carton!
What are you doing?
Shut up, you fool!
All right, save these little scenes for another time, because out there, people are still fighting. And somebody needs to tell them about what has happened, don't you think?
I believe that you're the man of the hour, Nador.
And those poor slobs you've got tied up?
Come on, Nuda and Ergo, untie them. Carden, go online with the exterior cameras. Everybody needs to know the truth. Stop the fighting! The Elder has died! Stop the fighting! Stop the battle! The Elder has died. You don't have to keep fighting his battles. He has died, and the Mother System has been decoded. We all have access to the files, to both the good and the bad. Now we have the duty and the responsibility to let history speak, because the life of previous generations is interwoven with our present. File 0 is the key, the departure point from where we should continue the search. Little by little, we'll be able to discover its deepest meanings. Because if we are capable of basing our lives on the teachings of the one who watched us through the ages, then we'll have a chance. Downloading File 0.
While File 0 is set in the future, much of it connects to an event that actually happened in the past. File 0 tells the story of Nador and Sombra and the moles from Ghetto 1, and how they discovered secret files hidden by the Elder in an attempt to keep the world from learning the truth about its past, thus keeping it under his ultimate control. My name is Mark, and I also discovered the powerful message of the good man who is Jesus. Today in our world, we still struggle with greed and selfishness, but hope continues to grow as people everywhere choose to learn about Jesus, who changed the world through his love by teaching us about the one, the Creator, who watched us throughout history. The death of Jesus at the hands of the rulers of his day is a historical fact, but it is also a fact that he rose back to life. When we study his life and message for ourselves, we are faced with a choice: to continue to believe the lies that have been told to us, that each of us is alone, nothing we do matters, or to believe the truth that Jesus taught us, that the Creator loves every one of us and created us for a purpose. That is the choice that now lies before you as well. It's like Nador said, it is the responsibility of each one of us to seek out the good man Jesus for ourselves. And it is my fervent hope that you will. It is only then that we can experience the freedom and purpose that the Creator meant for each one of us from the beginning.